Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is PK. Today we will see how to make money online. Just upload files. Let's go. Open Chrome browser and type Uploadship in Google search bar. Check the link in the description below. After opening the Uploadship website, there will be a icon join us or sign up. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. Click on join us and fill the details: title, first name, last name, email address. Click on register button. After the registration process is completed, check the mail and verify your account. After verifying, just log in. If you like this content, press the like button and upload files and make plenty of money. After upload is completed, copy the link and share it on social media and make huge of money. There will be free bonus tip for more free ebooks. And go to google.com, search free PLR ebooks and you get number of free ebooks to upload and make huge money. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.